Welcome to B&A World. Who is this? Today we are going to learn how you can respond to this question. The word who in Arabic is man. It is used to inquire about a person in question. Man hadha is the Arabic phrase for who is this. It is used when asking about the identity or description of a person. The word muhandisan in Arabic translates to engineers in English. It refers to individuals who are professionally trained and qualified to design, construct, or maintain structures, machines, systems, or other technical projects. Man hadha.
Hadha muhandisan.
Question: Man hadha, as the Arabic equivalent of who is this, and hadha muhandisan as the response, which means this is an engineer in English. The word tabiban in Arabic translates to doctor in English. It refers to a medical professional who diagnoses, treats, and cares for patients' health. Man hadha.
Hadha tabibun.
Question: Man hadha, as the Arabic equivalent of who is this, and hadha tabibun as the response, which means this is a doctor in English. Falahun translates to farmers in English. This term refers to individuals who are involved in agriculture or farming activities. Man hadha.
Hadha falahun.
The correct term for chef in Arabic is chief. Man hadha.
Hadha sheaf.